Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience and get your dream job. So SEBI Grade A final results are out. Congratulations to all those who have cleared this exam. Wow, amazing. You are SEBI Grade A legal officer now. You're going to join SEBI. This is really a big achievement. Congratulations once again. And to all those students who have not cleared. Please remember, this is a competitive exam. There are limited seats and only that number of students are going to be selected. Yes, it is disheartening. Yes, you must be very much disappointed right now. But remember one thing. Speak out loud. You have not failed. Say that to yourself. I have not failed. My success is just postponed. Take rest for 1 or 2 days. Take time to recuperate and then work on your weak areas. Look for the reasons which might have restricted your success and then start working on it. Wish you all the best for your upcoming exams, and once again congratulations to all those who have succeeded. We at iExamB help you prepare 50% faster with a crisp and concise content. Subscribe to our channel, stay tuned. Thank you.